Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. With the whole world going to shit, I thought I'd eat what I wanted to eat. So today's recipe is Choices. Never heard of Choices? It's a family favourite in our house. Maybe this will help explain.
A little more imagination with the main dish.
That is specialities of the house. Sausage, beans, and chippings.
Is that all?
Oh, there's plenties.
But isn't there a choice?
Choice? Of course you're having choices. You can having sausage and chippings, sausage and beans, or beans and chippings. That's choices.
I hope that clears it up. Okay, first we prepare the potatoes. Peel them and chop them into chunky chip shapes. That's not hard, is it? Next, you parboil the chips in a pan of salted boiling water. You don't want to make them too soft, just parboil them. When this is done, drain the potatoes properly and pour onto an oven-proof dish. Liberally coat with oil and salt and mix through. Then it's off to 180 degrees C preheated oven for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, remove from the oven and turn through the oil. Then it's time to add the sausages to the tray. Then back into the oven for another 10 or 15 minutes. And when that time is up, remove from the oven, turn the chips over again and turn the sausages over. Then back into the oven for the last 10 minutes. Then it's time to prepare the beans, and if you need instructions on how to heat a tin of beans up on the stove, I'm afraid you're a lost cause. And when the beans are piping hot, the chips are nice and crispy and the sausages are cooked through, it's time to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video, and just in case you forget,
That's choices.
you all stay safe and see you on the next one. Bye for now.